na happy birthday si Martin. Ready ka na? Okay, so ready ah. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, panabahan nyo naman si Asha. Congratulations! Okay, next we have here, Kuya. Ano name mo? Kurt. Okay, so how old are you, Kurt? 7 years old. Okay, ready ka na ba? Ready ka na? Okay, so I want you to bring a one big shot of happy birthday for Martin. Ready? With count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Martin!
Okay, panabahan nyo naman si Kuya. Congratulations. Ayan, get your prize. And of course, the last but not the least, alright, so Kuya, what's your name? Joshua. How old are you, Joshua? 8 years old. Okay, so ready ka na? Okay, so since ikaw ang pinakalas, gusto ko with energy, ha? Malakas dapat, ha? Ready ka na? Isang malakas na happy birthday, ha? 1, 2, 3. Wala pa? Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go! Uy! Wala bang go? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Martin!
Okay, pero bakit nyo naman si Kuya? Kaya